Hello, my name is Prithvi Raja. I am a certified data analyst and a software trainer. I have a 7+ years of training and teaching experience in engineering and IT field. And today, I would like to welcome you into the NumPy for Data Science and Machine Learning course. Are you interested to become a data analyst, data scientist, or business analyst? If yes, I appreciate and congratulate for your first step towards an in-demand career in IT and business field. Most of the programming enthusiasts like to code in Python nowadays, and it is a popular and growing programming language. So, if you had chosen Python as your coding language to become a successful professional in technical field of data and big data or machine learning and artificial intelligence, then you must be familiar with the numerical data analysis and visualizations. Pandas helps to analyze and prepare data for visualization. But without NumPy, Pandas suffer to perform fast and best. So, NumPy is an essential tool developed by the Python developers for numerical analysis that supports and motivates other data analysis tools of Python. So, why don't you learn NumPy and become expert in big data analyst in Python? Don't worry, if you wanted to become an expert in any other technical field other than data analysis, machine learning, or artificial intelligence, I assure you will definitely gain some meaningful insights for your career development. Never stop learning the new skills and update yourself. So, are you ready? Then join me. Together we can strengthen our technical and career path. I love to see you in my course enrollment dashboard and congratulate for your right decision to become an expert and demanded technical professional in IT industry. Until then, enjoy learning.